In this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to create a sticky header in Framer. To kick things off, the first step is to add your header frame to the project. Now, you might be wondering what a header frame is. Well, it is simply the frame that you want to use as the header in your Framer project. You need to either create one or select an existing one, whichever suits your needs the best. Once you have your header frame, make sure to set it at the very top of your project's page. Having your project and header frame set up, our next step involves venturing into the Properties panel. Here, ensure your header frame is currently selected, then shift your attention to the Position section. You can find this on the right side of the Properties panel. Next, you need to set the position from the drop-down menu. Turn your options from Relative or Absolute to Fixed. By changing the position to fixed, your header will remain in the same place as the user scrolls down the page, thereby creating a sticky header. Now that the position of your header frame is set to fixed, it's time to pin your header, and this is achieved by a little adjustment in the positioning control. Just click on both the top and side anchors, and for the perfect stickiness, set the top value to 0 px. With the header pinned perfectly, we can't overlook a possible challenge. Sometimes your now fixed header might get covered by other content on the page. To prevent this issue, all you have to do is adjust the z-index. This is a value you can set to make sure your header always stays on top. It's a good idea to set it to a high number. We recommend 999, but feel free to go higher if you wish. For the final touch to your sticky header, let's add some padding to your content. This padding grants your content some breathable space, preventing it from scrambling with your fixed header. Simply select the frame directly below your header and add a top padding value. This value should be equal to the height of your header. When you set this, it will push your content down enough to not disappear underneath the header when scrolling. And there you have it, an easy method to create a sticky header in Framer that gives your projects a professional and polished look. With this feature, your users will appreciate the ease of navigation. Now, go ahead and give it a try. Happy designing!